Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 legitimate ways to make money online in 2024 and beyond. Okay, so without any time wasting, let's just dive right into the video. So before we get started, first things first, if you guys are looking for the easiest way, guys, I'm talking about the shortcut to online business success, making money online, starting your online business and generating multiple streams of income, then I've got access to a free training below this video, guys, in my description. Check out the link in my description where you're going to gain access to a free training that reveals a done for you online business system that is helping people just like you generate over 7 streams of income on complete autopilot, working less than 2 hours a day. So if you guys are interested and you're looking for the shortcut and you're tired of the information overload, then head over to my description below this video and check out that free training, okay? And on that note, let's dive right into today's video. So an amazing platform that you can use to start generating income online right now, guys, is none other than Digital World Flippers. And for those of you guys who've been following me, you know I've been talking about this program quite a lot because it's honestly the best platform for anyone looking to make money online selling digital products without ever creating these products themselves. So at Digital World Flippers, guys, you gain access to done for you ebooks and digital products, templates. There's even things like video reels that you can use for your social media marketing, guys. And this is content that has already been created by other experts in so many different niches. Okay, as you can see, this real estate, toddler mindfulness, workout, body home workout, faceless reels, email marketing, digital marketing, weight loss, like so many different ebooks that are already there available for you to just purchase. Make changes to the ebooks. You can put your name as the author and you can resell these products in as many different platforms as possible, charge your own prices and keep 100% profit. This is literally like a vendor for digital products, right? For example, if you were looking to get started with, making money in the real estate niche, or maybe you already have a real estate business and you're looking for a product that you can offer your customers, then this is a great digital product that you could literally purchase for a one-time fee of $17, guys. This ebook has already been written for you by experts in that niche, and now you are legally allowed to go out there and resell this ebook, guys. You can change the covers, you can even put your name as the author, you can make changes to the content, and then you can resell these products and sell it for $17 or even more. Every single sale that you're making after that, guys, is just going to be pure profit. And it's a one-time investment, guys, and you're able to rebrand this digital product. You can resell it, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profit, guys. This is insane, okay? This is an amazing way to make money online right now because more and more people are going on the internet looking for information, right? Think about it. You're watching this YouTube video right now because you are looking for information on how to make money online. So people just like you are out here purchasing digital products more than ever before. This is a billion-dollar industry right now, guys, and it's only anticipated to blow up in the next few years. So if you're watching this video, here's your sign to jump on board, okay, before it becomes saturated. Look at this, guys. You can even gain access to 450 faceless reels. These are reels, guys, that you can literally go out there and resell those reels to an entrepreneur, right, who's got a business and they're looking for a way to create social media content without showing their faces. Now you can target someone like that. These are reels that have already been created, guys. Templates, guys, that people can literally go in and edit the templates. They can put their own text, their own hooks, and things of that nature. So think about it. If you were out here in the digital marketing niche or your social media manager, this is a great product that you can now offer your clients, right? You can literally go out there and resell this product to them, or you can even use it for your own personal use if you know you are already a business owner looking for a way to market your business on social media without showing your face. Faceless marketing is one of the best strategies right now in 2024 to make money. And if you're out here selling a product like this to someone else out there who needs, help with your marketing, your income potential, guys, is just gonna blow up, okay? And with Digital World Flippers, you can purchase this thing for $37 one-time fee, and you can resell this thing for like $67, $77, $97. I've seen this reels, being sold for $97, guys. This template's being sold for $97. Why? Because it solves a massive problem. You're literally selling marketing content for entrepreneurs, okay? Another platform that you guys can use to generate income online, guys, is using the Amazon affiliate program. So if you just go on Google and just Google Amazon Associate, then what that allows you to do is that allows you to sign up for your free account. Now, if you are an existing Amazon customer, it's going to ask you to log into your existing Amazon account. So it's actually easier if you already have an account with Amazon, okay? Now, what a lot of people don't know is that Amazon actually rewards you, right? So they have an affiliate program whereby they pay you for simply recommending their products within the platform to other people out there. And this is how a lot of the influencers are making money, right? I'm sure you've watched videos here on YouTube or even on social media of influencers just sharing their favorite cameras, their favorite, products and accessories that they've bought from Amazon. And then there's a link just sending you to the Amazon platform. Now, what you don't know is that those links are actually their unique affiliate links. And every time you purchase a product via that link, or if you buy any other products, right, by just going through their link, they are going to earn a commission. Right? That's called affiliate marketing, guys. And a lot of us are shopping on Amazon every single day. And there's no better way to tap into this platform than just go out there and start recommending products that you already buy on Amazon. For example, I've lost track of the number of toys and products that I've purchased on Amazon. I could easily go out here, guys, and start creating short video reviews on Instagram, Facebook, just reviewing all these different products that I am currently using right now from Amazon, and then send people to the link in my bio, which is ultimately going to be the link to my Amazon affiliate account. I do affiliate marketing, guys, at the back end, but this is actually at the back end with my own products that I am selling at the Funnel Buyer program. So I do recommend other products that are being sold on Amazon. It's actually a stream of income for me, and will strongly recommend this platform to anyone who is already shopping on Amazon, because think about it, you're probably already out here recommending products that you purchased on Amazon to other people and you're not getting paid for it. So why not just sign up for free for the affiliate program, guys? And then when someone is asking you, where did you get that product? Oh, tell them, wait a minute, I'm going to send you the link, right? You send them to your link and they purchase and you make money. Just get paid for recommending products that you already use right now. It's honestly a no-brainer, okay? Another powerful way you can make money online, guys, is by completing simple tasks. If you guys are looking for an amazing platform where you can actually make money just completing simple tasks, then I strongly recommend that you check out the Funnel Buyer program. I'm going to leave a link below this video for you guys to check it out. Now, in order to become a member here, you need to invest $47, guys. It's a one-time lifetime membership fee. And the reason for that is because you're not only getting access to the platform to complete tasks, but you're also getting access to digital products and trainings at the back end that teach you how to build a successful online business. Okay, so it's literally a win-win for you. So when you join the Funnel Buyer program, guys, you can start making money from just introducing yourself in the Facebook group. That's like an extra $2 straight into your pockets, guys, for just introducing yourself in the Facebook group. This is like the easiest money anybody can make online. Not only that, you can also earn $20, guys, by just sharing a short 60 to 90-second video testimonials, just, sharing any wins and results that you've achieved with the system so far. This can be as simple as just saying, I just joined this program and I've already made my $2, guys. Sharing any wins, and it can also be any wins that you've actually achieved from just going through the training videos. Like I said, Funnelpire is a platform that actually teaches you digital marketing skills and also provides you with digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% profit. So there's a lot of tools and resources at the back end that provide you with a ton of value, and you can actually just share a review if you've achieved anything from the platform, if there's any wins that any results that you've achieved, or you've learned anything new. You can always share a short video review, guys. That's easy $20 in your pocket, guys. It's insane. Not only that, you're also able to make money by just recommending the platform to other people who need help starting their online businesses and growing their online business, or even generating multiple streams of income online. Think about it, guys. Who doesn't want to generate more income? Think about it. The celebrities are out here hustling for a reason, right? They are billionaires, they've got all the money, but they're still out here working hard for more money. Everybody in this world wants more money. So it just makes it very easy for you to go out there and recommend this platform to somebody else. And here's what you get in return, guys. 50 cents for just recommending this platform to someone else, even if they don't buy anything. That's like an easy $5, guys. If you can just get 10 people to check out this training, this platform, that's an easy $5 in your pocket right there, guys. So you can see making that $47 is going to be very, very doable in little to no time, because just completing the tasks alone, you already have the opportunity to make all your money back. Not only that, guys, you can share your payment banner in the Facebook group and earn $5. So when you reach, the payment threshold, you're going to receive an email with a payment banner just congratulating you for reaching that milestone, right? And when you get those payment banners, guys, if you share that in the Facebook group, that's an easy $5 in your pocket. Can you see how easy it is to make all your money back in no time, just completing simple tasks? Now, of course, Funnelfire has an affiliate marketing side of things where you're able to generate even more income streams at the back end. If your leads then go on to buy, the membership, if they go on to buy the $47 program, you are going to earn 40% commissions. So these are all upgrades at the back end. There's upgrades for $500, there's upgrades for $1,000 that you can actually continue to make money if your leads go on to buy any of the premium upgrades at the back end. So this is an amazing platform for those of you guys who want to make money just completing simple tasks. Okay, it's a great way to also build your digital marketing skills and learn the skills and resources that you need to generate income online. Okay. Another great way you can start making money online, guys, is just by selling your skills on platforms like Fiverr. So Fiverr has a lot of people, who are just out there selling their skills, selling their expertise. If you know something that could benefit someone, I can guarantee you that there's a potential and an opportunity for you to sell that skill here on Fiverr. You can offer services, you can even sell products. So it really, really depends on what skills you have. So if you have a good eye for graphic design, you can literally come on here, guys, and sell your skills, right? Web design, logo design, so many different design, opportunities here. As you can see what other people are doing right now in your niche, and then you can see how to make it even better. So if you go to graphic designs, and let's just take a look at some of the products under that niche. Let's see. So what you can do, I'll recommend that before you sell any products here, have a look and see if there's other people doing what you want to do, and then see what prices they're currently charging, see what services they're currently offering, and then see how you can make things even better. Okay, this is what's going to help you stand out from all the other sellers out here on Fiverr, and this is what's going to help you build your own, portfolio of clients. You need to find a way to differentiate yourself, from everybody else out here who's doing, probably similar services who's offering a similar service to what you wish to offer. Okay, you can see there's web designers here charging like $200. Just depends on what services people are selling here as well. And because Fiverr is already a well-known platform, it already has a lot of traffic coming to the platform, it's going to be very easy for you to promote your business and start getting those sales there, because again, there's already incoming traffic within the platform itself. Okay, so if you're someone who's got a skill, you've got a great, it's not just graphic design, guys. As you can see, there's digital marketing. You can do video editing, search engine. Like a lot of companies are out there looking for SEO experts to help them with your search engine optimization, to help them with, online marketing, e-commerce marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, so many social media, so many different services you can offer, video animation, writing and translation, music and audio. There's people doing, voiceovers. Like you can literally come on here and offer. I can guarantee you that it's going to be at least a skill here that you already possess right now that you can literally turn into a profitable online business that makes you money. Okay. And last but not least, another legitimate way you can start making money online, guys, is through using the ClickBank affiliate platform. So ClickBank is a free affiliate marketing platform that you can join, guys. Anybody can join this platform. And then once you join the platform, you will be able to go to the marketplace and search for different products that have already been created by other people. This is similar to the Amazon affiliate marketing I just previously talked about, except with ClickBank, they are more, geared towards digital products. Okay. And the commissions are much, much higher than doing this via Amazon. Okay. Because again, you're going to be promoting for the most part digital products. Okay, they do have physical products as well, but the majority of your products are things like courses, ebooks, and digital products in general. And the reason why digital products are more profitable is because the overhead costs are, much, much lower. So this is why you can see products on ClickBank that are offering affiliates 75% commissions, 80% commissions, because these are digital products, and the sellers themselves are still able to make money at the back end. But the beauty about ClickBank, guys, is the fact that you as a ClickBank affiliate can generate, in some cases, you're actually going to be able to make more money than the sellers themselves. Okay, so as you can see here, there's so many different categories here that you can choose from cooking, e-commerce, email marketing, games, green products, so many different products that you guys can absolutely tap into. So let me just go to the e-commerce things. This is my niche, of course. Let's just have a look at some of the products. So you can see right here, this is a live chat job. So let's say you're in the e-commerce niche and you're looking for, an amazing product that you can recommend to other people and get paid. Then this is a product that you could potentially be looking into, right? Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, what's the other one? YouTube, check out the program, look at what it currently offers, and then if it's something that actually resonates with you and you feel like you want to recommend this program, then you can absolutely go ahead and hit that promote button and get your link. Okay, so there's so many different products, here, as you can see, and you're just trying to find a product that is more in your niche. I recommend that you don't promote anything that you're not passionate about. I recommend that you promote products that you are passionate about. Go for a niche that you are passionate about. Preferably, if you can find a product that you already use yourself, it's actually going to be easier, because it'll be easier for you to leave your honest review and your take on the product, because people are out here on the internet constantly looking for information and reviews on products that they wish to buy. This is a product that I personally promote myself, because I have a lot of clients that are boutique owners, so I do recommend this platform, and this is actually one of my biggest streams of income in terms of affiliate marketing. So I have different platforms online. I have courses, digital products, but this is one of my best platforms, guys, that actually pays me a commission. I'll leave a link below this video if you guys are looking for vendors. But this is just to show you guys that you can generate, look at this commissions, guys, $120 dollars and 35 cents. That's a high commission right there that you can earn for just recommending this platform to someone out there who needs help finding vendors, who needs help, making money online with drop shipping and things of that nature. That's a great product that you can now promote. Okay, like I said, I am promoting the product myself. I'm probably going to add a bit of competition, but hey, there's a lot of opportunity out here for everyone to win, and you can literally just promote the products, guys, to your audience, and every time they buy, this company is going to pay you a commission. It's honestly that simple. This is like starting your online business for free. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below this video which of the strategies you are going to be trying out, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.